In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Google Drive attachments in Gmail. This is a simple yet very useful feature that allows you to attach files directly from your Google Drive without needing to download them first. It's especially helpful when working with large files or documents that are already stored in the cloud, making your workflow faster and more efficient. To get started, open your Gmail and begin composing a new email or continue working on an existing draft. Once you are inside the email editor, take a moment to position your cursor exactly where you want the file to appear within the message. While you can always move or remove the attachment later, placing it correctly from the start helps keep your email organized and saves time. Next, look at the toolbar located at the bottom of the email composition window. Among the icons, you will find a small triangle-shaped symbol. When you hover your mouse over it, you should see a label that says Insert Files using Drive. This is the option that allows you to attach files directly from your Google Drive. Click on this icon to open a window displaying your Google Drive contents. From here, you can browse through your files and folders or use the search function to quickly locate the file you want to attach. Take your time to ensure you select the correct file, especially if you have multiple documents with similar names. Once you find the file, simply double-click on it. This action will automatically insert the selected file into your email. You will now see it included within your message, ready to be sent to your recipient. At this point, you can continue writing your email or review everything before sending. If needed, you can still remove or reposition the attachment within the email body, but having it placed correctly from the beginning makes the process smoother, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully attached a file from Google Drive directly into Gmail, making file sharing quicker and more convenient without extra steps. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.